This is the worst slime I've ever seen. Oh my. It's just goo. Most of it ended up on my hands and on my table. Hi guys, welcome back. I know I haven't posted in a month, so it's great to see you all. And in this video, we're going to be fixing and reviewing store-bought slimes. I am super excited to see what terrible slimes are in store for us. So let's go! Hi guys, so we are going to Kmart and one rule. Safety first, and I mean phone safety. Samsung is way better than iPhone. Samsung can do this. Well, all phones can, but Samsung is the best. And back and left, driver, go, go. Now we're at Kmart. Let's go inside. Oh my gosh, there's slime. What is this? Okay, yeah, light up slime, sure. Yeah, oh, I got this one before. It was funish. Funish, yes, funish. Ooh, what's this? Macaroon meringue, we are scented. Okay, okay. Sure, I'll get this. No, not that. Let's go, you. Vixen's nice. Okay, back to the house. Woo. So we're back from the shopping center, and we've got light up slime, this mix and match, and this macaroon meringue slime. And let's open these. So first up is the macaroon meringue. So like, it's like macaroon shaped case, which is pretty cute. It said, we're scented. We're scented. So time to, oh, it's very, it's sticky. It's like very sticky and wet. This is like the max it stretches. It's like marshmallow fluff. It smells disgusting. It's not even that playable. Ew, we need to fix this. And it leaves like a stain there. That's annoying. So it's rippy, not stretchy at all, and completely dense and sticky. Okay. So, let's fix this. It's time to fix the slime. So we have glycerin, activator, pigment, oh, scent, pigment and scent, a spoon, so we can like put it in the slime. I'm joking. So, and we have our clay, and we have extra butter slime, and Fimos and a charm. So first off, I'm gonna melt the slime and reactivate it. So I'm gonna use my patent pending, I'm joking, my glycerin to deactivate the slime. So basically I want it to become glue again. So I'm mixing it, and it's just like, when you like try to put it together, it just doesn't do anything. You can tie a knot with the slime. So I'm gonna, okay, I'm gonna add some, my hands, this is so sticky. Oh. You better fix up. This slime is not going to be my favorite. Just letting you know for the future. Ever failed? I'm not failing for this one. Oh, it's actually getting better. So I'm just kind of doing this, and my hands are spoiled. Please don't be colored pink, red. whatever color this is. Coral, there we go. So we're mixing and we're mixing. And it's kind of getting better, but still not that stretchiness I'm looking for. Okay, I think I'm just gonna melt it down this one little bit less. So, as we are deforming the slime, ooh, 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 ooh. Look at this. Whee. So I really like this slime so far, but it still has that bit of thing like stickiness. Which I think the powder is doing. It does feel way better from what before. It does actually stretch now. It is still a bit dense, but a really good texture. So I'm gonna add, oh, I have the best idea. I have some white butter slime. Gonna put it in the slime. Wait for it. Lollipop, and we got these females. Wow, magical sparkles. I'm acting like a 5-year-old. Abnormal. So this is our slime. It has turned out amazing. And I love it. So, fail or success? Tell me in the comments below. On to the next slime. Slime number 2, what are we gonna do? So, this is a light up slime. So I'm gonna opened. So there's a slime instruction, like we need that. So here are our 3 slimes. They're Bingsu slimes. And here is our light up LED. How do you turn this on? Oh my gosh. So it's oh my. It's just goo. It's literally putty. Where's the contact? So after 300 years of trying to figure this out, are you ready for the most magical thing ever? 3, 2. Okay, come on. No. There. Dude, we talked about this. I thought we worked things out. Come on. I literally got, there we go. Okay, wait, do we have to wait? Am I just impatient? I did it. What's going on? I think I just gotta, help me. Yes, finally. So, there's 3 colors. Like I said, I ripped it. They're like, this like putty. So this is just like the putty. And the Bingsu just makes it like have a little bit of texture. Not all the texture in the world, but only a little bit. Comes with glitter, but I'm just a bit annoyed how the glitter is not coordinated with the color. Like, and the light up cube doesn't respond as well as I thought it would. It would be easier just to have a button there. Good idea, but like, nice try. Come on, okay. Time to fix it. Ah! Well, I'm back with my ingredients. So it's like a putty slime. So it is really pretty, but I just can't fix putty slime. So I'm gonna give it a little makeover. So I have some clear slime. So I'm thinking maybe this could even it out. The thickness and the thinness and the, see, like, and the bingsu just falls out. So how about I recreate this? That's actually better. But better if you understand what I mean. So I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter of my color shifting glitter from Glitz Your Life. Link in the description below. So look how pretty that is. And last time I just realized I forgot the scent in the slime. But don't worry, I didn't forget it this time. It is a very small slime. Yep, scented. It smells so good. This, I forgot to smell it. It smells like water. Guys, I have magic powers. I spawned clear slime. Woo! So this is our clear slime, and you may be wondering, why is there blue slime in here, Tanvi? Well, being the stupid idiot I am, I put blue clear slime without the camera on. And I forgot to tell you the name of the scent. It's ginger and black orchard. It smells amazing. I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna put a little clear slime because it's not enough slime. I'm so stop. I keep knocking things over today. It's like unbelievable. That is amazing. There we go. So side by side, they do look very different, but they each are different. So this one's more of a jiggly slime. The bingsu just falls straight out. If I just try to play with it, no pops, bingsu falls out. But this one, it's just like really nice. It gives like spacey vibes to me. Whee! And it actually can make a bubble, unlike you. Like, give me. It's like water slime, if you think about it. But it's not like, it has that like tiny bit of wet sensation. But water slime, you can kind of stretch. This one, it doesn't feel right, if you know what I mean. So, this is my recreation. Wait, I'm thinking, should I add these glitters? Ah! I want to add that into the slime. So I'm gonna put it in both of the slimes. Oh. Are you kidding me? Come on. What are you doing? Why? Can't I just open this in peace? I give up on teal. It's like they designed to make this hard to open. Come on! Is my hands just oily or something from the scent? Or are these... I seriously cannot open. Most of it ended up on my hands and on my table. And tiny bit here, but only like this much entered the slime. Wait. See this LED cube? Does it work in my slime? Or is this just defective? Come on. It is working-ish. I'm gonna break the table because of this. Come on! Do you need like some chant or something? Abracadabra! What do you want? What does this mean? I think it... Come on. Yes, it works. Yeah, final. So you decide to go for the bad slime. Come on. That's it. That's just defective right there. That's defective. No. So which slime is better? You can obviously tell. We've got another set. But this video is getting too long, and this other set, I'm actually really excited. It says, oh no. This one I can see is jiggly, this one. It says crystal, fluffy, and foam. So I'm not excited about this crystal slime. So I think it just means metallic. Yeah, so do you think we should do part 2? I'm probably still gonna do it, but part 2, I'm waiting for you guys. I hope you liked today's video. Do you like to see more of this stuff? Please let me know. I would love that. And I absolutely enjoyed this video, except me getting glitter everywhere. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys love this video. Bye!